Right then, on to the last one now, this little grot. So starting out 135, 133 and 134. So we've got 133 over here and 134 next to it, which is good. Okay, let's get this tidied up quick. Hopefully this is just a nice little quick job to finish this grot off. And then we have a full orc kill team, commando kill team, which is good. For little grots, it's their job to basically carry all the horrible weight. He's probably the one who's responsible for strapping, or at least one of his kind is responsible for strapping bombs to a squig. Right. Just trying to work out where this kind of naturally falls together, this guy. So, like this, yeah. So you got a couple of dimples there that lock in. Okay, right, and that's drying. There's a little bit to get out here. So we've got 135, which is the grapple. And then now there's a little claw hook somewhere here, 138. Saw that a little while, there it is. Yeah. That's why I removed all the other bits from the kit, all the orc stuff, so I could see this easier. Oh, this is going to be a pain to cut this. So I'm nice and popped on. Gotta love little grots. It's just like whatever orcs do, they have to try and mimic as best they can. Probably in a vain hope that they don't get beaten or eaten. Okay, now he's got a nice little backpack on him, this guy. Oh, do you know what? I might have removed the 136, the backpack, thinking it was one of the orc ones. Yeah, here it is. I'd already removed it thinking it was from one of the, you know, a spare one from one of the Commandos. Let's see what he's got. Is that a pair of little flippers? Looks like that might be flippers. Cool. They must send him into horrible places to plant explosives and stuff. Okay, now choice of head, either 137 or 134. Now I have to admit I have to go for 137. Yeah, 137 or 143. I'm going to go for 143 because he's got a little scuba gear on, and that's just awesome. I'm definitely going for that. I like it a lot. Yeah, so it is flippers on his backpack. Yep, he is so cool, isn't he? Right, and I'll pop him on his base now. And there we go. We have a Grot Kommando. Ooh, if I can get my... Yeah, he's cool. I love him. He's got a little tool and his scuba suit. Okay, so that is it. That is all of the Orc Commandos from Kill Team Starter Set. All nicely put together. Please like and subscribe if you like these videos, and thanks for watching.